the mineral crystal bag right here, if you can see.
And Izzy, do you want to come mining too?
Guessing that's a yes.
Let's see what you can find. There's something under there.
Okay, let's take a look.
Izzy, I just found something.
She must have found something that he loves. Hey! It's a stone. There's probably some like crystals or something in it.
Let's take it to the lab and break it open.
Yeah. It looks like it has an ancient note in it. And writing in numbers.
Yeah.
Oh, and apparently there's a tree under there for our dog to eat.
How do we do this?
I don't know. Maybe we could use this hammer or something.
Sure. Maybe use the other side to mine away. No, like this side.
Oh, yeah, I know.
This might take a while. Oh, look what I found. Crystal.
Oh,
A
nice.
tip of a crystal. I'm gonna mine.
Keep digging.
Yeah.
I didn't find mine yet.
So I actually just accidentally took this thing out, so now I'm gonna gently brush it around and see what it is. So if you can, I don't know if you can see, but there's tons of dust coming off of it right now. So I'm just gonna grab this and slowly just edge off the plaster. So it says there's supposed to be 8 different minerals, but we actually found 13. So we think we just broke them in half. So we tried to put them in different types, like what they look like. So as you can see, there's more than one in there.
And
there,
same.
there. And yeah, so it says there's only 5 types in there. So there's, the green one is dolomite. It comes with a guide and a magnifying glass and where you put it, like write down your stuff. And I think this one is supposed to be the purple one. It's amethyst, and I think that one's supposed to be clear quartz. And I think agate, and then there's 2. I think there's 2. There's rose quartz, which I think is that one. And yeah, I think that's all. I think that's just more clear quartz. That's more like, I don't know.
I thought this would be a lot easier. Apparently, it took us a long time.
It did.
And it made it a huge mess. Look at it.
Yeah. This was a great toy. If you want to see more content like this, make sure to subscribe and slap the like and turn on that notification bell so that you never miss another video.